Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of stunning sculptural decor ideas made from nature's cast-offs or fallen branches to fine art. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Transforming discarded tree branches, often dismissed as garden debris or destined for a bonfire, into striking sculptural decor challenges our deepest assumptions about what natural materials are worthy of artistic value, inviting us to look again at the humble forms scattered across forest floors, storm-fallen in yards, or piled beside woodpiles, and to see in their twists, textures, and irregular silhouettes an untamed beauty that mass-produced decor can never replicate. The process begins with a shift in perception, because before any technical skill is applied, the creator must learn to read the language of wood, studying the curvature of a branch, the scars left by weather, the grain revealed in fractured ends, and the delicate geometry of knots and forks that once supported leaves and life. And in recognizing these marks not as flaws but as character, the artist begins the quiet transformation of overlooked nature into expressive sculptural art, gathering branches with intention, choosing pieces that whisper possibility. Whether long and sinuous like a dancer's arm, thick and gnarled like an ancient root, or delicately split into branching tendrils that naturally suggest movement, and once selected, these raw materials undergo a thoughtful, meticulous journey from rough-found form to polished statement piece. Starting with the essential step of cleaning, where bark may be left intact for rugged texture or carefully removed to expose the pale, smooth wood beneath, each choice shaping the emotional tone of the final sculpture. The branch is scrubbed, brushed, and sometimes soaked, removing dirt while preserving its unique personality, revealing hidden swirls, striations, and contours that only emerge when the surface is free of debris, and this act of cleaning becomes a reverent unveiling, exposing the quiet artistry nature sculpted over months or decades. From here, shaping begins, not in the sense of forcing the branch into a new identity, but instead guiding and enhancing its natural structure, perhaps trimming an end to create balance, smoothing rough edges to refine the line of the form, carving subtle details where needed, or using gentle heat to slightly bend a branch into a more dynamic arc, though often the beauty lies in allowing the wood to speak for itself, requiring not bold manipulation but sensitive editing, with the artisan working more like a collaborator with nature than a controller of it. Sanding follows, a slow, meditative process that brings out the tactile and visual richness of the branch, each pass of fine grit paper revealing more grain, more color variation, more quiet drama hidden in the wood. And as the surface becomes silkier under the hand, the branch begins to take on the aura of a true sculptural object, no longer resembling yard waste, but instead something purposeful, deliberate, and compelling. Finishing the branch is where its transformation becomes undeniably apparent, whether through natural oils that deepen the grain, waxes that create a soft sheen, stains that highlight contrast and complexity, or matte sealers that preserve a raw, organic look, and with each layer applied, the piece becomes more luminous, more dimensional, more capable of holding the viewer's attention, turning light into motion across its curves. Mounting or displaying the branch is equally critical, whether floating on a wall like abstract art, positioned upright on a base like modern sculpture, suspended from the ceiling with invisible lines. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. or integrated into functional decor such as chandeliers, candle holders, or centerpiece installations, and every display choice further elevates the once overlooked branch into a confident artistic statement, proving that nature's overlooked forms can become striking focal points in contemporary design. What makes this transformation especially meaningful is not only the aesthetic outcome, but the philosophy behind it. Because working with discarded branches is an act of honoring the environment, embracing sustainability, and recognizing value in the imperfect and the forgotten, challenging a culture that too easily categorizes materials as waste. By elevating humble wood into high-value decor, artisans demonstrate that beauty does not depend on perfection or newness, but on intention, craft, and the willingness to see differently. And this perspective resonates deeply with modern audiences who crave authenticity, eco-conscious design, and pieces with stories embedded in their surfaces. These sculptures carry with them the memory of windstorms, seasons past, wildlife, and weathering, making them not just objects, but natural chronicles translated into art. Moreover, the business potential in transforming discarded branches into sculptural decor is profound because raw materials are abundant and free, while the finished pieces, unique, handcrafted, and rooted in sustainable practice, hold significant market value, appealing to minimalist homes, rustic interiors, bohemian spaces, nature-inspired designs, and contemporary galleries alike, giving artisans a wide audience hungry for meaningful decor. The work also invites constant experimentation. Allowing creators to explore combinations of wood and metal bases, integrate subtle carving or burning techniques, contrast polished surfaces with raw textures, or assemble multiple branches into large, dramatic installations that feel both wild and refined. And in this constant experimentation, the artist comes to understand the limitless expressive potential contained in even the most ordinary branch. Ultimately, turning discarded tree branches into sculptural decor is a celebration of nature's inherent artistry, a reminder that the world's beauty often hides in quiet, unassuming places, and a powerful testament to the idea that creativity begins not with pristine materials, but with the courage to see value where others see nothing. Because each transformed branch becomes both a work of art and a message, an invitation to slow down, look closely, appreciate the organic, and recognize that beauty does not need to be manufactured, but discovered, nurtured, and revealed through craft, care, and imagination. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning sculptural decor ideas made from nature's castoffs or fallen branches to fine art. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.